Red para sana hindi ko siya pabalik sa Singapore sa yan. So yun guys, bago nilagay yung parmesan cheese, nilagyan na ng butter, then parmesan cheese, then sliced shallot, and then nilagyan na ulit ng shredded cheese, and then nilagyan ng sliced ham, both side ng bread. Guys, tapos na. So yun naman guys, ipapan-fry lang ng butter both side guys. Guys, pag napan-fry both side, pwede lang kainin. So ang sarap po guys. So thanks for searching. Thanks for watching guys. So again, my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.